Welcome back, everyone. So today we have family coming over for an early holiday dinner, and for an appetizer we're going to be making up some whitetail wonton. Now this stuff is incredible. Before we get started though, you need to take a quick second, click on the like and the subscribe button below so that you'll be kept up to date whenever I'm putting out new videos. Let's get started. Welcome back to The Hungry Hunter. Today we've got family coming over, so I'm going to make up some whitetail wontons. This stuff is delicious. It's going to go fast as soon as people start showing up. What we've got here for our ingredients, you're going to need some wonton wraps, one package of ranch salad dressing mix, about 2 jalapeños cut up, diced up. We're going to be using our KC butt spice rub, 1 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm using the Mexican mix, so it's got different types of cheeses in there, and 1 pound of ground venison. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of the butt spice rub, and with that we're going to fry that up, and then about 1 package of bacon. So this is the real bacon pieces that we're using up. I'm using a mini muffin pan. It's got 48 slots in here. We're going to use this all up, and this will make up about 48 of these whitetail wontons. So let's get cooking. So as usual, we're going to start by preheating our grill. We get it nice and hot before we start throwing things in there. Add a little bit of olive oil in here. Heat up with it. I'm going to start by adding about a teaspoon of this KC butt spice rub. I'm just going to mix that all in. Get nice and mixed in there. So with our pan nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and add in our venison. Now with it all cooked up, we're going to move it over into a clean bowl. You want to make sure that you're not pulling in the grease. The great thing about venison is it's very lean. A whole lot of grease left over afterwards. You can use regular burger as well, but you will have more grease afterwards, and you want to drain that out. So we've got our ground venison here. We're just going to set this aside. I almost forgot to mention that we do need to have 1 cup of sour cream as well that we're going to add into our mixture. Before we get that added though, we're going to go ahead and take our wonton wrappers here and put them into our mini muffin. Preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then once we get the wonton wrappers into our pan, we're going to put them into the oven for about 5 minutes just to crisp them up before we fill them with the good stuff. Now our wonton wrappers are thin. So we'll want to be careful when we're putting them in there. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take our wontons. We're going to put them in here for about 5 minutes. Let them crispen up at 350 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and mix up our mix. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dump in 1 cup of shredded cheese. Next we're going to add in our jalapeños. We've got 2 jalapeños that we're adding in here. Just scrape that out of the bowl. We've got them diced up. Next we're going to add in 1 package of ranch dressing mix. I'm going to follow that up with emptying in 1 package of crumpled bacon bits. This is about 6 slices of bacon. And finally, we're going to add in our sour cream, 1 cup of sour cream. Scrape it on out. And we're going to mix it all in. Okay, so the timer's gone off. We're going to go ahead and pull these out, set these aside. Just want to get them just crispy enough to set them in easy. Now with a small teaspoon, we're just going to scoop this out. Put some in each little wonton wrapper here. So now with our wontons filled, we're going to go ahead and pop them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, and then we'll pull them out and we'll serve them up. And okay, so the timer's gone off. We're going to kill the heat here. See how this looks? Oh, these look great. Pull them out, let them cool for a second, and we're going to start serving them up. We got family over, and I'm hoping they like it. Wow, those whitetail wonton appetizers were incredible. They're completely spot on. The family absolutely loved them. As you can tell by the picture, there are only a couple of them left. Not to worry, I took care of them personally after everybody else had left. Hey, I'm Hodge the Hungry Hunter. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, or click on the little image of Buddy and me on screen here. And I'll make sure that you keep up to date whenever I'm putting out new videos. Until next time, I'm Hodge the Hungry Hunter. We'll see ya.